Through his magical goggles, Max spots a glowing green message floating above the corner store. "Help others shine." It sparkles, signed with a mysterious star symbol. His heart races with excitement as he realizes these aren't ordinary goggles. They're revealing hidden messages all over his colorful neighborhood. Leaping over rainbow pathways and past floating balloons, Max follows more clues until he discovers something incredible: a secret treehouse where kids like him practice their special abilities away from public view. Inside, he meets Sarah, who can talk to plants, and Devin, who makes music that heals. They're part of a hidden group of young heroes, scared to show their gifts to the world. Max watches as they help people in secret, leaving only twinkling stars behind. But his superhero heart knows keeping these amazing powers hidden isn't right. Everyone deserves to see how special they are. With gentle encouragement from his family and a boost of courage, Max demonstrates how his goggles help him see the good in everything. "Being different makes us strong," he declares, as fireworks of blue and pink burst overhead. One by one, his new friends step forward, sharing their gifts proudly. The neighborhood fills with magic, music, and blooming flowers as their powers transform the community into something even more wonderful. Together, they create a world where everyone's unique abilities can shine brightly.